Hey there, Casey Ashmore coming to you from the road for a change, and thanks for joining me today. And like all of the video series for the last several months, we are giving a special acknowledgement to the two great challenges facing our nation right now: the tragic death of Mr. Floyd and how we're all going to deal with that and move forward together to heal as a nation and live up to the rhetoric of our own revolution, and what seems to be the unending coronavirus pandemic, which seems to be not going away, not getting better, and certainly of great concern because it has financially upended a great part of our nation. And we are hoping that our friends and neighbors will be able to get back to work and provide for their families as soon as possible. Today in the video series, we're going to do a deep dive into the civil litigation process in the state of Texas and how that looks and works. I'm going to ask you to please like, subscribe, and share on any video platform that you see this on, and leave me a question or comment and I'll reply back to you in a direct message. So without further ado, general civil litigation in the state of Texas involves, at first, at least three things: an initial research of what kind of legal case you may or may not have and which court you should file suit in, and that is and can be referenced under the Texas Government Code Chapter 24 and 26, which sets out what kind of legal claims there are and what court would have jurisdiction to hear it, whether that be a justice of the peace court, which are claims less than $10,000, a county court at law, which, depending on what county you're in, those county courts have certain dollar amounts under $100,000, etc. So claims and controversies less than $100,000, and then the district court of the county where the suit is to be filed, and that is for claims over $100,000 generally, and non-monetary relief, in other words, some sort of equitable relief like an injunction or something like that. So the first step in filing a lawsuit is to prepare a petition which outlines your claims, outlines the facts, and gives fair notice to the other side about what the controversy is. And then the next step, the biggest and sometimes most difficult step, is to give legal notice. So under our constitutional right to due process, the other side in a lawsuit is to be provided by the claimant notice of the suit, and that usually involves a citation. It's a official form that's prepared by the clerk, given to the defendant or defendants at their last known address, or if they have an attorney, or if they're a corporation, their agent for service that they are required to maintain and keep a record of down at the Texas Secretary of State's office in Austin, Texas. So those are the initial steps, and I'll get into more on the general civil litigation process next in this video series. Thanks again for watching. I love doing these for you. Again, please leave me a question or comment and I'll reply back to you in a subsequent video or a direct message back, or both. Thank you.